Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Colorado 2-wheel drive Z71. It has only one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors, step rails, lightly tinted glass, and much more. The smooth riding and well-equipped 2017 Chevrolet Colorado is a solid choice in the mid-size truck segment. This Colorado has 17-inch dark argent metallic cast aluminum alloy wheels and all-terrain tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Colorado is in great condition. It has very clear projector beam headlamps along with fog lights, recovery hooks, daytime running lights, and really nice grille with the iconic Chevrolet emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 6-cylinder 3.6 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Colorado has rear wheel drive and it's estimated the drivers receive 20 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Colorado has only 13,283 miles on it. At the back of the Colorado, you can see the cargo lamp, the sliding rear window, and the locking tailgate with lift assist, along with the tow package, the corner step bumper, large brake lights, and sleek badging. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Colorado has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the power outlets, as well as the seat back pockets. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather trim seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Colorado is also equipped with door bins, in-dash storage, and OnStar. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power door locks, and the power windows with driver express up and down. This Colorado has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is your home to multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio. It's Sirius XM and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have automatic climate controls, and everything is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.